AD Metro has developed the patent-pending Argon touch controller for PCAP touch sensor control. The Argon controller has a patent-pending built-in capability to measure and report levels of interference affecting the touch system. An Argon touch system has state-of-the-art noise immunity, but like any touch system, there is a risk of false touches due to interference from nearby equipment, power supplies, displays, wiring, and other components. We've never heard of another PCAP controller that can provide such meaningful insight about interference without attaching external measurement equipment, and regardless of the type of host computer to which the system is connected. This built-in indicator makes it easy to confidently integrate a PCAP touch sensor even into systems with likely interference sources like an old display, nearby power supply, or imperfect wire routing. The upcoming demonstration shows how the interference indicator works, how to start it, and how LED flashes indicate interference levels. When operating, the interference indicator repeatedly cycles between measurements and reports of the latest measurement result. Each result is the signal level detected at the touch system. Unless someone is touching the sensor, that signal level is generated by electromagnetic or radio frequency interference. Each red-green flash represents 5% or 1/20th of the touch threshold. The touch threshold is the level at which a touch is triggered. The interference indicator makes it easy to check all modes of operation of a system for potential noise problems. If you are seeing interference anywhere near the touch threshold, your system is at risk of causing false touches. Use the indicator to identify the source and also to confirm efforts to control the interference. Control may require relocating devices or wiring, or perhaps reducing touch sensitivity. Here's a demonstration of the interference indicator at work. Start the interference indicator by pressing and holding the controller's button until there is a red LED flash. Don't let go in response to the blue or green flashes. In each cycle, there is a short blue flash as measurements are taken. Then there's a longer series of flashes from both the red and green LEDs indicating the latest measurement result. In this demonstration, if we bring a noisy power supply close to the sensor, we see the interference level rise to a concerning level, 15 flashes, so about 75% of the touch threshold. Remove the strong noise source and we are left with 5 flashes, an acceptable amount of interference, about 25% of threshold, likely from that old display. Return to normal touch controller operation by holding the button briefly again.